Welcome to my holiday prep vlog part 4, the final part of this little healthy fitness series. I hope you guys have been enjoying it, and it's going to be a hard week because this is the final week we can do this. So I've been cutting down quite a lot for this week. So say my salads, I normally have a boiled egg and some salad dressing. Well, the egg and the salad dressing have gone. I'm no longer having any desserty kind of things after dinner, although I have substituted my dessert for a hot chocolate. This is options. It's only 40 calories. I mix a little bit of almond milk with it and some hot water, and it's just really nice and creamy, and that's like my chocolate fix on a night at the moment. And I've stopped snacking, and the only thing that I snack on, really, I say stop snacking, I still snack, but the only thing that I'm snacking on now is watermelon, and I've seen a difference. So exciting. Now, I did want to mention this to you now, guys, because Teami reached out to me a week ago asking if I wanted to try out some of their products, and I said yes because I thought it would fit perfectly with this healthy fitness kind of like lifestyle vlog for you guys. And I got this gorgeous tumbler, which is great because you can use it for the tea that I'm going to show you in a minute, but you can also infuse your fruit with it as well. So it's really cool. I'm going to open that up in a minute. I went for the 30-day detox plan, and it comes with this skinny one and this colon one. Now, I've had a little read of the card that comes with it, and the founder of this company actually had suffered from terrible bloating, constipation and digestive issues. Now, if I'm being completely honest, I suffer from bloating, I suffer from constipation, so I'm excited to see if these will help me resolve those issues. Teami is a brand that is inspired by the health benefits of tea, and you guys know I love my green tea. So let's start with this 30-day detox plan now. Okay, so I'm gonna let this infuse for a couple of minutes before I try it, but I poured some hot water in from my instant hot tap and then a bit of cold water so it's not boiling. I've just chucked 1 teaspoon of the skinny in, and it has a strainer within, so you can just pop in your ingredients and you could put in your fruit. So I'm definitely going to be using this for lemon, but I absolutely love it. Okay guys, so I've just left it for a couple of minutes and I'm going to give it a try right now. Oh, that's really lovely. It's really refreshing. It tastes like green tea, but really nice. Nice. Oh, I'm excited to try the colon tomorrow. But yeah, you're supposed to have this before, I think it's before you eat. Yeah, so it's best before breakfast to boost your metabolism, raise your energy and suppress your cravings naturally. So, oh, this is definitely up my street. Loving this. Hi guys, so I'm just jumping in whilst I'm editing part 4 vlog, and I just wanted to give you my final thoughts on the Teami blends. So throughout the week I've noticed my bloating and constipation issues have eased, which I'm quite surprised at how it acts so quickly. I've also noticed that it does suppress your cravings. The first day I didn't snack at all. I was quite surprised, and in general I'm just feeling very healthy and energetic, whilst the last couple of weeks I have been feeling rather lethargic, as you guys know. So I do want to give Teami my stamp of approval. Don't forget to check out my affiliate link in the description box down below, and if you want to get 25% discount, then please use my code ALLYAZZ25. Enjoy the rest of the video. So today the girls are going to the vet, so I'm up early. I'm going to have some Weetabix and banana. Make my lunch now because I'm going to be staying over at my mum's house because the vet's is half an hour away, closer to my mum, so I might as well just stay there and do work. So yeah, I'm going to get that done. Well, update on Pixie and Crystal. They are back from the vets now. Crystal's teeth smell beautiful and Pixie had her lump removed. She's still a bit drugged up, aren't you, darling? There's the scar, or the stitches, sorry. I'm not touching it, I'm sorry, I'm not touching it, I promise. Bless her, so we're just giving her a bit of a cuddle before I go into the gym. Okay guys, so today is the day I'm getting my hair cut. The first time since lockdown, and actually since February. That was the last time I had my hair done and coloured. I'm so excited to see what it looks like. I'm going to insert a little clip now of the before, during and after. Enjoy. What do we think of my new hair? Got my fringe put in, although I can do like a side fringe the way that she's cut it, so I can change that up as well. I'm really loving it. It's a little bit shorter. To be fair, I don't really know how long it was. Maybe it was just like this, so only like an inch off, but it needed it. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below. Okay guys, so we've just had dinner. We had a chicken wrapped in parma ham and I completely forgot to take a little video of it, but I thought I would show you my hot chocolate instead. So to make this rather large and frothy and creamy hot chocolate, all I do is put 3 teaspoons of this into my blending magic thing. Into my blending cup. Then I add around about 100 to 200 mils in between that of almond milk, whiz that together, then add hot water to it, whiz that together, and then it becomes really nice and smooth, and it's just so yummy, and it's a nice little treat after dinner. So yeah, I'm gonna devour this and then that's it. No more food until tomorrow, and I feel like I've been getting up earlier just because I'm starving by that point. So I will see you tomorrow. Hi guys, so we've just been to Aldi and Lidl to do the weekly shop, and then we stopped off at Sainsbury's just to get a few essentials that we can't get from Aldi and Lidl, like Robinson's double concentrate orange juice and Will's gherkins, because he's pedantic, he has to get his gherkins from Sainsbury's. But I have a different lunch for you today guys. So it's a prawn salad. I got the prawns from M&S I think a couple of days ago, and I'm really excited to try it, and I thought I'd show you it. Yeah. Okay guys, so I made it to the end of week 4, and oh my goodness, it was brutal. The exercise was really intense, the dieting, it was quite hard, although I'm very thankful for watermelon to snack on and my hot chocolate as my sweet treat. It made it a little bit easier. To celebrate hitting our goal, we are having friends over for some paella, and the ultimate test of this holiday prep is my Massimo Dutti dress. Now, a couple of weeks before I started the holiday holiday prep, I tried this gorgeous red slip size 8 dress on and it didn't fit. So I love wearing this on holiday, and that was my ultimate goal from the holiday prep. I always do it every year, but I'm hoping I can fit into it. So I'm going to put some makeup on, do my hair. I'm going to put on my gold sandals that I bought for holiday. I just can't wait to wear them, and I hope they'll go well with the dress. And yeah, let's see if I did it. Let's see if I hit the ultimate goal. Okay guys, so this is the dress. Let's give it a go. It fits! I'm so happy, honestly, I'm so happy. And there's a room, it's very roomy. Oh, I love this dress. I'm gonna style it up for you guys and show you how I'm gonna wear it today and possibly on holiday. Okay guys, so I've dressed it up and this is how I'm gonna wear it tonight. Obviously I don't need the bag because I'm at home, but on holiday this is how I would wear it. These are from Port and Prairie. These are my new sandals. I absolutely love them. They go so well with this outfit. And then this is my Louis Vuitton Alma. Okay guys, so this concludes the holiday prep series. Let me know in the comments down below what you think. What do you think of my glow up, guys? I'm just so happy that I can fit into this dress again. Let me know in the comments if you want me to do this every year, or do you want me to make some more fitness videos. Yeah, just send me a comment. I look at all of them, guys, and I try my best to reply to every single one of you. I'm quite busy at the moment. I also wanted to say, don't forget to check out Thursday's video. It's a get packing with me or come packing with me. I haven't yet decided, but it's going to be a fun one. And other than that, thank you so much for watching, guys. I love you all so much. Keep subscribing and liking, as it helps reach more people. And yeah, thanks so much. See you soon. Bye for now.